일단 우리가 에릭이 없으니까
근데 캡틴 지금 에릭랑 형 가니까 약간 불안해하시는 것 같은데.
불안해.
지금 왜냐면 계속 에릭을 끼고 계셨는데 엄마가 든든했단 말이야.
에릭만 의지하고 살았는데 너 빨리 와. 통역을 해야지. 그냥 와. 에릭이 없으면 난 대화가 안 돼요. 에릭! 내가 전화 받았어. 빨리 와. 얘기해줘.
Need the translator.
이 이름이 너 본명이야?
저 본명이에요.
무슨 혁자야?
저는 빛날혁.
정 씨는?
저는 사실 수미정이라서 수미를 빛내기 위해서 왔죠.
아 그래요.
네.
아 그래요.
네. Don't worry, be happy.
이봐 웃기잖아.
그러니까.
또 놀이 말 다
Don't
되잖아.
worry, be happy. 이 노래 있잖아요.
굿 이브닝 해야지.
Yeah. Good evening, happy day, happy day. 밤 인사 해주셔야 돼요.
Fine. How are you?
익스큐수미. 야.
애기가 장난치나 봐. 와우 열렸다. Hi. Good evening.
파파데이.
Good evening. Hi. How are you?
Oh, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Beautiful house.
Very nice house.
Wow.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, how are you?
I am 익스큐수미.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
여기 원 집 주인이 누구시죠?
Owner.
오늘 하우스 오너.
여기.
Yeah, and then my wife over here.
오케이. 혹시 무슨 일 하세요?
I do insurance and investments.
이분들은 누구야? 이분들은 어떤 관계예요? 어떤 관계세요?
How are you guys related? How are you guys related?
어떤 관계예요?
Who are you? Who are you?
Sisters.
Yes. Yes. Sister.
오케이.
Brother. Sister. Brother.
아까 아기 목소리 들리던데 애기 목소리.
Do you have a child? Three. And then they have two.
2 and 5?
5 total.
베이비 어디 있어요, 애기?
Apollo. Arabella. Apollo.
하이. 오! 하이. 오!
So cute.
와, 귀여워. 아이.
아우 예뻐.
부끄러워하는데?
Hello, hi. Oh my God, oh baby, oh. Hi. Oh, what's your name? Mina. Oh, what's your name?
Arabella.
Oh, I'm 익스큐수미. 집 구경 좀 해도 돼요?
Yes. Drink.
바.
Yeah, I like drink. Yes. Store bar. Wow.
우와!
Yes.
집에 저거 있어요. 저거. 비어 저거 나오는 거. 와우.
이쪽 봐. And then here, yeah, movies.
Yeah.
Yes. So theater. Relax. Where we relax.
Amazing. Awesome. 와우.
So private theater. Yes.
리치하우스.
Beach house.
슈퍼 리치하우스.
야, 너희들 밥해. 나 영화 좀 볼게. 오케이.
셰프는 엄마이십니다.
조금 한 시간만 본 다음에 해도 될까요, 이거?
No. is cooking for you guys.
Showtime.
Showtime.
Yeah.
All right.
This is Korean seaweed.
Seaweed. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Very difficult recipe. Very difficult recipe. She is a fire master. She is a fire master.
Fire master. Fire master.
Yeah, fire control. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
I got mussels in there. Oh, he's doing the pancake. Ah, it's a pancake.
Korean pancake. Yeah.
Smells delicious.
I got the mussel and the clams.
Young onion and squid. Squid. Yes. Yes. Squid.
파전. 파전.
Pageant.
Yeah.
Oh, then
That's
just
the egg.
egg. Yeah.
That's the egg, yeah.
You guys come.
Yeah.
No, it's kind of weird. We don't. Yeah. Stay here, B.
Come here, Paulo. You're my kid. Everyone has a partner.
Everybody's got a partner.
You guys going to make pizza?
They're making a pancake pizza. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Whoa! That. Look. Whoa!
Excuse me. Excuse me. One, two, three, wow! Three, wow! Wow!
It's okay.
Okay.
I'll still eat it. That's it. That's the one. Dude, so over there, in that thing right next to the sea, amazing frogs.
All together, everybody come on. 맛있게 드세요.
Okay, enjoy, Min.
Enjoy me.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll try this one.
Seafood pancake. Seafood pancake, seafood pancake, or soy sauce. Yeah, it is good.
So, oh,
Very good.
Very good. Thank you.
Oh, very good. It is very good.
You can taste the.
thank you.
Okay.
Being toasted.
Like rice and then
안 먹는지. 안 먹는지.
What did he say?
That's not mine.
아,
That's a pork chop. The pork chop's pretty good. This one. These are the pork chop.
이제
Yeah, one more.
맛있어. 끝. 가재미.
Seafood pancake, seafood pancake, or
끝.
it is good.
같은 시켜. 오케이. 코리안 잡채.
더 있어요, 더 있어요. Yes, alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, seaweed. Put seaweed here. Do it for the camera. There you go.
Jess, here you go. She's gonna give you some more squid.
오, 어머, 애기 잘 먹어.
Whose one is this?
간장에 비벼갖고 김 짜서 먹는구나. 아, 우리도 그렇게 먹는데. 아.
Oh, put rice, okay.
Yeah. This is 묵은지. Little bit salty. Yeah.
Just let me have one of those.
You can
Thank
taste
you.
just being toasted.
Eh?
The kimchi.
Yeah, kimchi. But kimchi, long time kimchi, and 3 years and 2 years. Yeah.
Years?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How is it? It's good. Okay.
Very good.
Pancake, right?
Kimchi. Very good.
It's a leak.
I just eat.
You gotta call GWA.
Oh, good.
Got a leak. Did you got a leak?
Very good.
More rice.
오, 다 먹었어.
Only a little bit. Only a little bit, right?
Say please.
밥 더 달래. 밥 더 달래.
One more rice. One more rice. Yes, one more rice.
Say thank you.
오,
She likes the rice and the seaweed.
오, 야.
Yeah.
One. This one.
아, 잘 먹네.
Yeah. Yeah.
밥 더 줘. 밥 더 줘. 오 마이 갓. 또 공주님.
More rice?
오, 밥 더 달래요.
Okay,
오, 장사 잘 된다. 오케이.
Just one more? One more? Oh my god! Oh my god! You very good, strong.
미나, 뱉어줘, 뱉어줘, 뱉어줘.
Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Oh, you too?
아니, 밥이 없어, 밥이 없어.
야, 밥이 있어?
밥이 이제 다 없어요. 돈 났어.
엄마 밥을 많이 가져올 걸.
그러니까요, 밥을 제일
넉넉하게 쌌는데.
캡틴 진짜 좋아하시네요. 잘 드시는 거 보니까.
아니 밥을 3그릇 2그릇 먹으니까 너무 기분이 좋아.
She is very happy because Mina is one more time, 2 more time, 3 time. Rice, please, rice. It's good.
엄마 마음이거든.
Yes, 엄마
마음이야. 이 집은 늘 웃음이 끊기지 않는 행복한 집인 걸 느끼겠어요.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Best in Korean menu?
My favorite is soju. Oh, yeah.
Soju. You want some soju?
야,
Oh, yes, yes. Get the.
Excuse me, 조주?
I like that.
아, 야 안동소주, 안동소주. 건배.
Thank you. Go.
오, 야.
Go, yeah.
Very good, very good, very good.
취한다. 어우.
Cause if that's what you need tonight, you.
Show me. 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 아무래도 이제 말하는 게 좀 힘들지 않았나. 계속 이 음식을 어떻게 소개해야 되냐, 얼마큼 맛있는지 또 물어봐야 되고 역사에 대해서 좀 얘기를 해야 되는데 long time 김치.
Long time.
Yeah.
Well, fermented long.
Maybe on 3 years and 2 years. Vegetarian Guam, but sauce Korean. 그런 부분들이 좀 덜 풀렸던 것 같아서 그게 좀 아쉬웠던 것 같아요.
구독, 좋아요.
딸랑딸랑 알림 설정.
다 같이.
조대권!